Understanding the green card. Your key to the U.S., a green card is a very special document. It is officially called a lawful permanent resident card. This card shows you can live in the United States permanently. It also means you can work legally in the U.S. Many people around the world want a green card. It is a dream for them to live here. The card itself is a plastic photo ID. It is proof of your status in America. Holding a green card comes with many good things. You can work at most jobs in the U.S., you can also travel outside the U.S. and return. This makes visiting family in other countries easier. You are protected by U.S. laws. After some years, you might be able to apply to become a U.S. citizen. This is a very big step for many immigrants. It offers stability and new opportunities. People seek green cards for many important reasons. Some want to join their family members in America, others look for better job opportunities. They might have skills that are needed in the U.S. Many people also seek a safe place to live. They want a stable future for their children. The U.S. offers educational chances too. A green card can be the start of a new hopeful life. Getting a green card can feel like a mystery. The process has many steps and rules. It is important to understand these rules. This guide will help make it clearer for you. There are several main ways to get a green card. The most common way is through family members. Another big way is through employment. Some people get green cards as refugees or asylees. There's also a diversity visa lottery program. Each path has its own special rules. You need to see which category fits your situation. Understanding these paths is the first step. Family-based green cards are very common. If you have a close family member who is a U.S. citizen, they might help. U.S. citizens can petition for their spouse, children, parents, or siblings. Lawful permanent residents can also petition for their spouse and unmarried children. The U.S. citizen or resident files Form 130, Petition for Alien Relative. This form starts the process for their family member. Waiting times can be long for some family categories. Immediate relatives of U.S. citizens usually have shorter waits. Employment-based green cards are for workers. These are often for people with specific job skills. There are different categories like EB1, EB2, and EB3. EB1 is for people with extraordinary ability or outstanding professors. EB2 is for professionals with advanced degrees or exceptional ability. EB3 is for skilled workers, professionals, and some other workers. Usually an employer needs to sponsor you. They may file Form 140, Immigrant Petition for Alien Worker. Refugees and asylees can also get green cards. If you were granted asylum, you can apply for a green card. You must wait 1 year after getting asylum status. Refugees also must wait 1 year after entering the U.S. Then, they can apply for adjustment of status using Form 1485. This allows them to become lawful permanent residents. The diversity visa lottery is another way. It offers green cards to people from countries with low immigration rates. The green card application process has several stages. First, someone usually files a petition for you. This could be a family member, Form 130, or it could be an employer, Form I-140. Once the petition is approved, you wait for a visa number. This applies if you are in a limited category. Then, you apply for the green card itself. This can be done in the U.S. or from abroad. If you are already in the U.S. legally, you might adjust your status. This means you apply for a green card without leaving the country. The main form for this is Form 1485, Application to Register Permanent Residence or Adjust Status. You will need to submit many documents with this form. You will also attend a biometrics appointment. This is for fingerprints and a photo. An interview with an immigration officer is usually required. They will ask questions about your application. If you are outside the U.S., you will use consular processing. Your approved petition goes to the National Visa Center, NVC. The NVC will collect fees and documents from you. Once everything is ready, they send your case to a U.S. embassy or consulate. This will be in your home country. You will attend an interview there. If approved, you get an immigrant visa to come to the U.S. You become a permanent resident when you enter with that visa. It is very important to be careful with your application. Make sure all information is true and correct. Gather all the documents the government asks for. Common documents include your birth certificate and passport. If applying through marriage, you need your marriage certificate. You might also need financial documents to show you will not need public help. Missing documents or wrong information can delay your case. It could even lead to a denial. To help your green card application succeed, be honest. Always provide truthful information on all your forms. Do not try to hide anything or give false documents. This can cause very serious problems for you. Double-check every form before you send it. Make sure all questions are answered completely. Small mistakes can sometimes lead to big delays. Being careful is very important in this process. Gather all your needed documents early. Make a checklist of everything required for your specific case. This might include birth records, marriage records, and police certificates. Get official translations for any documents not in English. Keep copies of absolutely everything you send to the government. This is important for your own records. It helps if you need to refer back to something later. Being organized will make the process smoother. After you apply, there will be a waiting period. Waiting times can vary a lot. It depends on your green card category and where you applied. You can usually check your case status online. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services (USCIS) website has a tool for this. Sometimes USCIS may send you a request for evidence, RFE. This means they need more information or documents. Respond to any RFE quickly and completely. Consider getting help from an immigration lawyer. Immigration law is very complex and changes often. A good lawyer can explain your options. They can help you prepare your application correctly. This can increase your chances of success. A lawyer is especially helpful if your case is complicated, or if you have had immigration problems before. While waiting, always maintain your current lawful status if you are in the U.S.